What's up guys, it's Grishma and welcome to my channel. So today is 21st of June and today is Father's Day. I am very excited for today because we are going to be surprising my dad on this day. So we are giving him a little surprise by decorating the room and also making an ice cream cake. So I'm really excited for this day and see how this goes. So currently he's at work, so when he comes back, that is when we are going to be surprising him, and to make him feel special, that is the motto of today. We can't just go outside and bring gifts, or we can't go outside to dine or something like that. So I thought like doing like a small little celebration in our house itself. It would really make him feel like very special. He would come back home by lunch. It's currently 11:45 a.m. and I am going to be expecting him by around 1. So we don't have a lot of time. I just realized that. So I'm going to stop talking and start decorating the wall that I have behind me. So the theme that I'm going is like green, grass, jungle kind of theme. I don't know how this is going to be work. I do have like a drawing in my mind, like how I want the decorations to be, and I have all the materials that I want for it. So I'm gonna stop talking now and start decorating. So please ignore the weird wall, but this is the wall that I would be using for decorating the place. Like there are this one hook and this curtain rod over here, so I would be placing like a nice green color backdrop, that is sari that I'm using, and I'll start building the decoration on top of that. Is ready. It's looking like this. So the table is going to go there, and I'm going to cover it with another green color cloth or something. This is sari that I used. It's my mom's sari and dupattas of different shades of green that I've used to create this backdrop. I'm going to start with decorating it with some fake plants. I have collected a lot of plants over the years, and I'm going to place all of them like over here. Write Happy Father's Day, like HAPP, to all of these cutouts that I have cut, and we are going to stick it to this backdrop that we have. Turned out to be pretty nice. As you can see, the happy birthday.
Wait a minute.
Happy birthday. And I also drew like a little heart over there. And so yeah, now I'm gonna cover this table that I have. It's actually a side table that we stack on one on top of the other, but I'm gonna cover it with another green cloth, and this is going to be the table for the cake. This is the backdrop. I have my table covered. It is very plain right now, but I am going to be covering it with a lot of more fake plants that I have, and I'm just going to display it everywhere as I think would look good. And so yeah, it's almost 12:10 now. he would come like within 45 minutes or so. But yeah, we are gonna complete it very soon so that we can surprise him. So these are all the plants, like some of the plants that I found around the house, and I love a plant movement. And so this I'm gonna display it everywhere around this. Like this, I have like few plant trailing down. So let's see what we can do with this. Okay, so as you can see, the final decoration is ready. We have a little jungle that we created with plants and all. I'll give you a better view. Decor. I even showed my mom and she got surprised. I forgot to take her reaction, but anyways, so this is how it looks. I am like very excited for my dad to come and see it. It's 12:30 now. I'm like super excited and also nervous because I'll just start laughing. I know that for sure. So the plan is that I'll stay in my room. My room door would be closed. So it's okay if I keep my door closed. No, my dad won't mind. My mom will tell my dad to pick up like an Amazon parcel from the gate, and so he'll get dressed. And once he will go outside, I'll just call him like, "Daddy, just come inside my room for 1 minute," and then I'll be like, "Surprise!" So that is the plan. Hopefully that works. I don't start laughing. That is the main motto over here, not to start laughing. But I'll make sure not to. And I'm like very excited to show all this to him. He's also like very creative like me. I got this creative side from my dad. Sorry, mom. Now I'll just wait and see the ice cream cake. We actually made the ice cream cake yesterday evening and then kept it in the freezer to freeze, and now I think it's ready. I'm gonna start decorating the cake before he comes home. Let's go. Inside my mind, so I have these paper shreddings like this. My dad actually cut it for my birthday, so when I entered through the door, all this fell on me and it was like very nice. So I have an idea of doing it. So I would be placing this on the fan hands. What are they called? The fan, you get it. I'm placing it on the fan, and when I turn on the fan, the fan will start rotating and all this will fall on him and also all over my room, but that is okay. I have to clean anyway after that. So that is what I would be doing, that putting all this in the fan. What are they called? Wings. It's 2:30 right now and my dad is already home. The reason why I'm whispering is because he's just in the other room. He's in the living room. I am super nervous and excited, so we'll have him finish his lunch. After that, my mom's gonna make some bahana and I'll call him in my room. Ma!
कुछ तो कर रही है, वहाँ जगह दिखने वाला था, कुछ तो कर रही है यार, मस्त।
Happy Father's Day.
वाओ, गुड। मैं इसको बोलने वाला था, डैडी फादर्स डे मना ही नहीं रहा तू ना, ये तो मालूम था कुछ ना कुछ कर रही है। तू कौन है? जैसे मैं आया ना, तो मुंह में हंसी थी, जो अंदर घुसी ना।
अरे हम लोग को कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा था।
वाओ, अरे वाह,
आइसक्रीम केक। Yay! Ice cream cake. Nice, huh?
नाइस ना, मस्त है। अच्छा है।
Something अलग।
हाँ, अच्छा अच्छा।
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
How did you like your surprise?
I never expected this. This is really a wonderful thing you have done for me especially.
Thank you. So that was a surprise. I had a lot of fun in seeing his expression, his reaction. It was really nice to surprise him on this day. You should always not only find a day but do something special to make your parents feel special and show them how loved they are. That is what I tried to do today on this Father's Day of 2020 in quarantine. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also show your parents the love, the support, all that you have. Show them that you love them and appreciate them for being in their life and giving you everything that you want. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye.